In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive, focusing on navigating the menu, adjusting your settings, and enabling offline access. Whether you're a newcomer or just brushing up on your skills, this guide will equip you with the essentials for a more seamless Google Drive experience. Let's begin by heading over to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Google Drive URL, or simply searching for Google Drive on your search engine of choice. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll find yourself looking at a dashboard of sorts, featuring all your files and folders organized conveniently. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it will become the central hub for managing your documents. In the top right corner, you'll notice a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where all your customization options start. It's here in the settings menu that you can make adjustments to tailor Google Drive to better suit your needs. Next, within that settings menu, you'll see an option labeled settings. Click on that. This will open up a new window showcasing several tabs on the left hand side, detailing general options, notifications, and even physical storage usage. These settings allow you to customize your Google Drive experience, from general preferences to more intricate features like shortcuts and interface themes. At this point, one powerful tool you might consider enabling is offline access. To do this, within the settings menu, find and click on the option that reads Create, Open and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets and Slides files on this device while offline. By activating this feature, you can work on your documents even without an internet connection, which can be a lifesaver when you're on the move or in areas with poor connectivity. Remember, after enabling offline access, Google Drive will take a little time to sync your recent documents to your device. This feature is selective to the most recent documents you've worked on, ensuring you have the content you need without overwhelming your device's storage. And there you have it, you're now set up with the basic knowledge of navigating the Google Drive menu and settings, as well as stepping into the world of offline access. This setup will lead to a significantly more productive and efficient workflow both online and offline. Be sure to explore additional options and make any further tweaks to personalize your Google Drive experience even further. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing.